Swanamic here, just heading into me blocking me F truck in me bloody Effie. A digital readout, look at her. See the digital readout? This is in private property here, I might add. First cog. Whip her into her a bit in first. Oh, look at that, 9 kilometres an hour. Oh, she just cracked 10. Oh, look at this. Logs here. We've got trees down everywhere here. She's a little bush track. Swanamic out. So we'll have a lovely day. Oh, look, baiting over there. Dog baiting. Sign on the